Good morning, Level 1. This is Miss Arshma from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. Level 1. In today's mathematics unit, we are going to start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is multiplication. So, this is our chapter, unit number 14. Take out your mathematics targeting book level 1 and open page number 208 of your mathematics targeting book. Page number 208. We are going to start our new chapter, multiplication. Now, from page number 210, level 1, write today's date on the top of the page. After writing the date, here is our exercise, our activity. So the question is, look into your books, level 1. How many balls are there all together? Adding objects in equal groups. Now level 1, what is this? Our topic is multiplication as repeated addition. Okay, what we have to do, they are saying how many balls are there all together. What we have to do, we have to count the balls. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls altogether, but each ball is in a group. Each ball is in one group. Each group has 2 balls. There are 3 groups, level 1, and each group has 2 balls. Okay, the blue circle is group and there are 2 balls in each group, as you can see. It has the same number of balls. There are same numbers of balls in each group. So there are 3 equal groups. So what we say, we can say that there are 3 equal groups of 2. Why? There are 3 groups of 2. Why I'm saying that? Because these blue circles are group. For example, there are 3 groups. There are 3 blue circles and there are 2 balls in each group. So we can say there are that 3 groups of 2. Okay, when we are going to add them, what we have to do, we have to write the numbers of objects. There are 2 objects in one group, write 2 here. Then again 2 objects in another group, we are going to write 2 again. Then in the third group, there are again two objects, we are going to write 2 again. Then we have to add them. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 and 2 and 2 makes 6. Very good. 3 2s makes 6. 3 groups of 2 makes 6. We can write it like that. We can write it like that as well, and we can also write it like that. Okay, level 1. 3 groups of 2 equals to 6. Okay, there are 6 balls altogether. Okay, level 1. So in this question, what we are going to learn, what they want us to learn, actually they want us to learn the multiplication as repeated addition. There are groups and there are objects in each group. Okay, level 1. And what we have to do, we have to count the objects. Okay, for example, we are on question number 2. Question number 2 is, how many pairs are there altogether? Okay, level 1. How many groups are there? 1. These bowls are our groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups actually. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright. And in each group, how many objects we have? Objects are our pears, our fruit. So how many objects are there in each group? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects in first group. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects in our third group. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects in our fourth group. Okay, we have 4 groups, but we have 4 equal objects in every group. Okay, there are 4 plates. Each plate has 4 pairs, as we already know. Now we are going to add those objects. For example, first group objects 4, then we are going to add 4 and 4, then again 4 and 4, then again 4 and 4. We are going to add 4 times, 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. When we add them, 4 and 4 makes 8, 8 and 4. 8 and 4 makes 12. 12 and 4 makes 16. Okay, level 1. I hope you got it. 4 4s equals to 16. Okay, level 1. There are 16 pairs altogether. 4 4s. What does it mean, 4 4s? 4 indicates the groups in the picture, and this 4 indicates the objects in the picture. Okay, level 1. Now coming towards on page number 211, this is the similar activity level 1. So the question is, use box to make equal groups, complete the addition equations. Okay, level 1. So our first addition equation is 4 groups of 2. As I already told you, level 1, that 4 indicates the groups, 4 groups of 2, and 2 indicates the objects. For example, they are saying 4 groups of 2. There are 4 groups, 1 2 3 4. Okay, there are 4 groups of 2. For example, there are 4 plates, and in 4 plates there are 2 donuts in each plate. Okay, level 1. So now we are going to add these objects. First group objects 2, then second group object 2, then third group's object 2, and fourth group object 2. We are going to add them. 2 and 2 makes 4, then 4 and 2 makes 6, and 6 and 2 makes, very good, 8. 8 is our answer. Okay, level 1. Now similarly, the second part, 3 groups of 3. For example, there are 3 groups, 1 2 and 3. There are 3 plates, and in each plate there are 3 donuts, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, now we are going to add the objects. The donuts are the objects and the plates are our groups. Okay, level 1. So when we add them, 3 and 3 makes 6 and 6 and 3 makes 9. Okay, level 1. Now similarly, in the fourth part, it's written 5 4s. Now what does it mean, 5 4s? There are 5 groups. 5 indicates the groups, and 4s means there are 4 objects in 5 groups. For example, there are 5 plates, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and in each object there are 4 donuts, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, level 1. Now we are going to add these donuts. Okay, 4 4. So when we add them, what we have to do, we have to write 4 5 times, because there are 5 objects and there are 5 groups, and each group have 4 objects. So we are going to add them 4 4. We are going to write 4 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. We are going to write 4 5 times, and then we add them. 4 and 4 makes 8, then 8 and 4 makes 12, then 12 and 4 makes 16, then 16 and 4 is 20. 20 is our answer. I hope you understand that level 1. Now again we are on the D part. 5 groups of 5 groups. So we are going to make 5 groups. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups of 5. So we have 5 objects in each group. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, level 1. Now we are going to add these objects, not groups, objects. So what we have to do, we have to write 5 times. Here the 5 is written only 3 times, so we are going to write it 2 more times, 5 and 5. Now we are going to add them, 5 and 5. When we add 5 and 5, it makes 10. Then we add 5 more in 10, it makes 15. Then we add 5 more in 15, it makes 20. Then we add 5 more in 20. So our answer is 25. Okay, level 1. Now we are on the second last part, our E part. 3 groups of 7. So how many groups? 3. 1 2 3 of 7. It means we have 7 objects in each group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we are going to add these objects. So what we have to do, we have to write 7 3 times, level 1. But what we have to do, here the 7 is written only 1 time, so we are going to write 2 more times 7s, and now we are going to add them. 7 and 7 makes 14. Then we are going to add 7 more in 14, it makes 21. Simple addition, level 1. You have to add to find out the objects in each group. Okay, level 1. Now the last part is 2 8s. Now level 1, 2 8s, what does it mean? How many groups are there? 8 or 2? Yes, it means we have 2 groups of 8 objects. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now how we are going to make an equation? Level 1, remember that we have to add objects. So there are 8 objects in each group. So we are going to write it here, 8 and 8. 8 and 8. When we add them, simple addition, level 1, we have to add 8 and 8. When we add 8 and 8, it makes 16. Alright, level 1. I hope you understand that, level 1. It's very simple. It's different, but it's simple. Okay, level 1. Please do practice and complete your work. Thank you for watching my video, level 1.